Hello, in this video I'm showing you how to remove this backlight so you can repair it or even just put a camera on it, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be putting a reversing camera onto here. So if you want to watch how to do that, obviously stay watching. It's really easy, it's straightforward. Let's get going on it. So the first thing I need to do is to remove this light here. Just push it to the side and it just sort of pops off like this. Just pull it with my hand, there we go. And that just pops off like that. You see, you just got a clip on the side here and on the other side there as well. Then we need to undo the two Torx bolts inside here, Torx screws up inside these holes. So if I just put my torch on, shine inside there, hopefully you'll be able to see somewhere up in here. There's a Torx screw inside there. There it is, that one there. And the same on the other side over there. So we need to undo those two, first of all, so we can get it out. So let's see if I can see that from that angle. There we go. And from that angle, you can also see it there. There's this Torx screw back there. So those two we need to get out first of all. So I've got my torch in there, so I can see that nice and clearly. Put that up in there. Okay, there we are. Oh, there it goes. We're going to do the same for the other side. There it is. These bolts are quite high steel because they're not very magnetic. There we go. Okay, that's the two bolts there. That one actually have two, should look like that. So take those out first. And then we got these four clips here, but now it's been released, we should be able to try and push these in, and then the light should push up. So you've got one there, one there. You got one on the other side, not a bit hard to see, and you got the other one up there. And you got a couple at the back over there as well, but I don't think you need to push those in. It's just these four in front with the spring clips on. So I'm going to try and release those now. So I'm just using a piece of wood so I can push against it. I'm not going to try and lever on this wire here, so I've got to be careful of that. I'm just going to see if I can push that clip in. It's quite tricky to do. You can push the clip in quite easily, but then it just pops back down again. Let's try it from the outside here. There we go. So as I'm pushing that clip in, I can push it up at the same time, like that. There it goes. And I'll try and push that one down. It's like you need more than one hand. There we go. There we are, that's that one kind of released. So those two now are released. Now I've got to just do the other two. Maybe start with this one here. That's that one there. And then we got this one over here. And there we go. Now I should be able to remove the light. Like that, there we are. And there it is. Here's the light. And then we can just release this one. Let me see, how does that work? I just got to push that in or out, push the black clip out, and then pull the clip out like that, and there we are. Here's the lead, pretty straightforward. We've got this line on the top here, which only goes in that top there. You can see that line there. And we've got this little catch on the side here, which just catches on there. So it was just a case of pushing it in, watching that little clip on the side there, clip into position. Good push, there it is. And that goes back across there like that and just holds it in position. You might want to just pull it out, make sure that that is properly locked into there like that. There we are. That's it. That's it, and there's our backlight, easy peasy. And you can see then you've got those two brass screws go into there, and you've got the four clips here. You need to push in, and then you've got clips on this side, but I didn't need to get to these. So when you come to put it back on, all you got to do is just put it on and push it down, and it snaps into place. Maybe make sure this is nice and clean. Clean this rubber off, the foam off here. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting sealant on because you'll never get it back off again. But you could maybe put some Vaseline or something like that just to help it seal. So there you go, that's how you remove the backlight. The next video I'm going to be putting the reversing camera on here. So there we go, that's pretty easy to get off. So yeah, if you want to watch more of my videos, obviously check in the description down below for more videos. And finally, here's the backlight with the reversing camera fitted, my solar panels on, and then 2 floodlights at the back of the van as well. And like I said, if you want to see any of my videos about this VW Crafter conversion to a camper van, then do check in the description below.